Physics. Multiple choice questions. CEE. IOE B.SC CSIT preparation capsule. Question 1. Work done by a body is simply given by. Look at the options on the screen. A. Force times displacement. B. Force squared times displacement. C. Force times displacement squared. D. Force. Correct answer is option A, force times displacement. Question 2. Dot product of two vectors is equal to 1 over root 3 times the magnitude of their cross product. The angle between them is. Look at the options on the screen. A. 90 degree. B. 30 degree. C. 45 degree. D. 60 degree. Correct answer is option D, 60 degree. Question 3. Expression for centripetal forces. Here are the four options. A. mv squared over r. B. mv squared. C. mv over 2. D. mv. Correct answer is option A, mv squared over r. Question 4. The time taken by light to pass through 4 mm thick glass slab of refractive index 1.5 is. Look at the options on the screen. A. 8 into 10 to the power minus 11 second. B. 4 into 10 to the power minus 11 second. C. 8 into 10 to the power minus 8 second. D. 2 into 10 to the power minus 11 second. Correct answer is option D, 2 into 10 to the power minus 11 second. Question 5. Which one is a scalar quantity? The four options are as given. A. Power. B. Force. C. Pressure. D. Displacement. Correct answer is option A, power. Question 6. Which of the following remains constant during refraction? Look at the options on the screen. A. Velocity. B. Wavelength. C. Amplitude. D. Frequency. Correct answer is option D, frequency. Question 7. Heat required to convert 1 gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into steam at 100 degrees Celsius is. Look at the options on the screen. A. 100 calorie. B. 0.01 kilocalorie. C. 720 calorie. D. 1 kilocalorie. Correct answer is option C, 720 calorie. Question 8. Rainbow is formed due to. Look at the options on the screen. A. Diffraction. B. Dispersion. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. Correct answer is option B, dispersion. Question 9. Which of the following is a correct formula for calculating radius of gyration of a rotating object? Here are the four options. A. K squared equals I over M. B. K equals I over M. C. K equals M over I. D. K squared equals I over M squared. Correct answer is option A, K squared equals I over M. Question 10. The torque due to gravitational force on a body about its center of mass is. Look at the options on the screen. A. Infinite. B. Finite. C. Zero. D. Unknown. Correct answer is option C, 0. Question 11. A steam turbine operates at a boiler temperature of 450 K and an exhaust temperature of 300 K. What is the maximum theoretical efficiency of this system? Here, your options are displayed as A. 0.24, B. 0.5, C. 0.333, D. 0.667. Correct answer is option C, 0.333. Question 12. Change in entropy depends upon. Here, your options are displayed as A. Only on transfer of heat, B. Transfer of mass, C. Only on the change in temperature, D. On the thermodynamic state. Correct answer is option D, on the thermodynamic state. Question 13. Diffraction is prominent in sound as compared to light is due to. The four options are as given. A. Wavelength of sound is greater than wavelength of light. B. Wavelength of sound is smaller than wavelength of light. C. Wavelength of sound is equal to wavelength of light. D. Wavelength of sound is nearly zero. Correct answer is option A, wavelength of sound is greater than wavelength of light. Question 14. Half-life of carbon-14 isotopes is. Look at the options on the screen. A. 573 years. B. 5,700 years. C. 5,730 years. D. 5,760 years. Correct answer is option C, 5,730 years. Question 15. Confining the vibration of light in single direction is called. Look at the options on the screen. A. Polarization. B. Interference. C. Reflection. D. Refraction. Correct answer is option A, polarization. Question 16. An electron accelerated through a potential difference of 10 keV strikes a metal target. The minimum wavelength of the emitted X-rays is? Look at the options on the screen. A. 1.2 nanometer. B. 0.12 nanometer. C. 0.012 nanometer. D. 12 nanometer. Correct answer is option B, 0.12 nanometer. Question 17. A coil having N turns and cross-section area A carries current I. Which physical quantity does the product NIA represent? Here, your options are displayed as A. Magnetic flux of the coil. B. Magnetic flux density of the coil. C. Magnetic moment of the coil. D. Magnetic susceptibility of coil. Correct answer is option C, magnetic moment of the coil. Question 18. A circular loop of wire with a radius of 4.0 cm is in a uniform magnetic field of magnitude 0.060 T. The plane of the loop is perpendicular to the direction of the magnetic field. In a time interval of 0.25 s, the magnetic field changes to the opposite direction with a magnitude of 0.040 T. What is the magnitude of the average EMF induced in the loop? Here, your options are displayed as A. 0.2 millivolts. B. 2 millivolts. C. 0.1 millivolts. D. 1 millivolts. Correct answer is option B, 2 millivolts.